welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change windshield wipers on the Toyota 2007 Toyota Camry. It's easy to change right here. It's see, I have this one is a Rain-X wiper. I changed this by maybe 3-4 years ago. It's not as good as anymore, and the reason why I'm changing the windshield wiper because see, when I lift up this thing to get the snow off my windshield, and one of the clip came off. You see this clip right here? This clip is the clip that hold the windshield wiper to the hook right here. So on the driver's side, right? So on that driver's side right there, I lost that clip. So when you lose that clip, it's no good anymore. It's nothing to hold on to it. The windshield wiper will roll up and down, and yeah, so be careful. A week ago I ordered this from Walmart. I got a pair of this. I ordered yeah, this is on sale. So normally you go for 25 bucks for two of them, the passenger side and the driver's side. So anyway, I got it. So I got for 15 bucks. It's called Ablewipe. So I see. So I got a pair of this. So for a 2007 Toyota Camry, the driver's side is a little longer. It's 24. It says size 24, and then the passenger side is size 20. So I got a pair of this Ablewipe for 15 bucks. Normally you go for 25 bucks. Let me show you how to change this thing. See, try to measure. It's about the same size right here. Right here, lift this the little cap off right there, and just push it out, I guess. Okay. Yeah, just push it out like this, and then that's it. For a Toyota, and I own a Civics also. For a Japanese car, they usually call this hook right here a J hook. So it's easy to do. So right here, the Ablewipe, you pull this up, and you pull this cap up right here. So basically lift this up and then put the J hook through here and pull it. That's it. And clip it on. That's it. And then remove this this plastic right here, and you're done. Let's go to the other side. Into that. So I lost this part right here. So I put a little zip tie on. So let's cut the zip tie. Right. Do the same thing. There's the little clip right here. Just pull this clip up. There, that's it, and then just clip it on right there, and then you change it. See, this been I changed this maybe three years ago, so it's It's no good anymore. Let's test it out, see it working. So you can see it's working, and so it's easy to install this thing. It's most Japanese cars have the J hook, and all you need to do is just hook it to the J hook. That's it, and snap that little plastic on. Yep. So this is Ablewipe. I bought a pair of them from Walmart for 15 bucks. Normally it would go for 25 bucks. So this is how you change the windshield wiper on a 2007 Toyota Camry. It's simple. It got the J hook. You just take the old one out and then just put the new one in, and that's it. Hook it to the J hook. That's so simple. So I hope you learned something. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.